and welcome back to the vlogs. And if you guys recognize this background for all the OG subscribers who have been watching my vlogs, I am currently in Jamaica, yes, and I'm here preparing for my wedding. I'm getting married in 10 days. Today is the 31st. Yeah, today is the 31st. And the wedding is in 10 days, so I'm getting a lot of stuff done. And yeah, so I'm currently on the veranda doing my centerpiece, and I'm helping my uncle and my brother with some stuff for his bees. He has a bees business. He makes honey and stuff like that, so I'm helping out as well. So I'm just gonna take you guys and show you guys what I'm doing right now. So yeah, I'm pretty busy, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm currently doing. And yeah, and it's the first day I'm vlogging since I've been here actually vlogging. So I'm going to vlog the rest of the time that I'm here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload it once a day, daily, or probably weekly. I'm not sure, but yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys what we're currently doing outside. And yeah, that's the finished product, guys. So this is the wax sheet. So we're gonna put this in the box for the bees to make their honey on. Alright, so we put how much in it? For 10. At 10 I put them 10 in it. Eh? Oh Jesus, sorry for sure.
Not like if you was gonna go Google.
No more, not much we put in the box and feed this. I wouldn't sit. It. So?
Let me see.
Or upside?
Like a long way? Wait, let me see. I'm on a side, like.
Oh. Oh, so?
You see the fit, so? It's supposed to, so.
Alright, upside down if you go. Oh, does it make I'm have on my house slippers. I'm not supposed to go to do. So I'm gonna
go care about today together.
What Karim? They're not empty. They have the slides up there. And bees over there, and I might not be stinging.
No, maybe let us call him. I can hear you. Maybe hear smoke a spray.
I'm confident.
Uncle Yo!
Uncle Yo! You have no more empty box? Can't put the rest of them in there? Box to put the rest of them in there, we finish? Yeah. Alright. Oh, you so not pelt me. Lord.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Don't know for that. Move on. Move on to my business now. I don't even know. Oh boy. This is what I'm working on, guys. I am working on my my centerpiece for the tables. So this is how they're looking so far. Yeah, so yep, so that's what I have right now. So I'm just gonna finish up the rest, and then we're gonna go on the road to get something to eat and go to the bank. So yep, so I'll check back in with you guys in a bit.
What time you got for me?
More finish put them together so we can go. At least have the base finish before we go. So I'll finish put on my hair. First name, finish them here. Hey guys, I haven't updated you guys in a while. It's almost 9 o'clock now, and I'm just going to get something to eat. Well, for the most part, I finished making the centerpieces, and then I went on the road with my brother. We went into Falmouth. I went to the ATM and to get some patties, So I got some patties for my late lunch, breakfast and lunch in one at around 4 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna eat dinner now. Mommy came home and made dinner for us. So I'm gonna eat that now. And then I'm gonna shower and go to bed. Yeah. So what I think I'm gonna do couple days in one vlog. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Instead of uploading a vlog every day or doing once per week, I think I'm gonna do 3 days in one vlog. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm gonna eat some food now, hungry, and then I'm gonna shower and go to bed. So yeah, I'm gonna share the food now and then I'll show you guys what I'm having for dinner. So I'm having ackee and saltfish for dinner, guys, and that's Jamaica's national dish with some green bananas, some yams, and some dumplings. So that's my dinner for tonight. So I'm gonna eat now and then I'll check back in with you guys when I'm done.